The Secrets of Luxury Sedans, Crafting S-Class, Maybach, and EQS. Introduction. The world of luxury sedans is synonymous with opulence, innovation, and uncompromising quality. In this article, we unlock the doors to the inner sanctum of automotive excellence, revealing the secrets behind the creation of three automotive legends, the Mercedes-Benz S-Class, Maybach, and EQS. Join us as we journey through the meticulous craftsmanship and cutting-edge technology that define the pinnacle of automotive luxury. Mercedes-Benz, a legacy of luxury. Before diving into the factory tour, it's essential to understand the heritage that underpins the Mercedes-Benz brand. Founded in 1926, Mercedes-Benz has consistently set the benchmark for luxury automobiles, epitomizing innovation and elegance. 1. Design and innovation. The journey of crafting a luxury sedan begins with the design phase. Talented designers and engineers collaborate to create a vehicle that seamlessly blends aesthetics and technology. Witness the process of sketching, modeling, and prototyping, which results in the iconic design of the S-Class, Maybach, and EQS. 2. Hand-selected materials. Luxury is about choice, and these sedans offer a plethora of options. Every material, from the finest leather to the most exotic wood veneers, is hand-selected to ensure the utmost quality and opulence. 3. Handcrafted excellence. Master craftsmen bring these materials to life. They meticulously assemble every component, from the sumptuous seats to the exquisite dashboard. Attention to detail is paramount, with a focus on both aesthetics and comfort. 4. Cutting-edge technology. While tradition and craftsmanship play a significant role, Mercedes-Benz also embraces the latest technology. Advanced robotics and automation are employed for tasks that demand precision and efficiency, while human experts oversee the process. 5. Engine excellence. The heart of every luxury sedan is its engine. Mercedes-Benz engines are renowned for their power, efficiency, and refinement. Witness the assembly of these engineering marvels, which deliver both exhilarating performance and exceptional fuel economy. 6. Rigorous testing. Each luxury sedan undergoes a battery of tests to ensure it meets the highest standards of safety, performance, and comfort. From high-speed trials to extreme weather testing, no detail is too small to be overlooked. 7. Personalization. Mercedes-Benz understands that luxury is personal. Buyers have the opportunity to customize their sedans, selecting from an array of options to make the vehicle uniquely their own. Conclusion: the epitome of luxury. The Mercedes-Benz S-Class, Maybach, and EQS represent the pinnacle of luxury sedans. They are more than just vehicles, they are the embodiment of opulence, innovation, and engineering excellence. Join us on this exclusive factory tour and discover the meticulous craftsmanship and cutting-edge technology that define the secrets of luxury sedans. These automobiles are more than a mode of transportation, they are a symbol of prestige and a testament to the relentless pursuit of automotive perfection.